Good morning. Today we are going to discuss problems on coefficient of permeability determination. So here it is the first question for you. Calculate the coefficient of permeability of a soil sample 6 cm in height, 50 cm square in cross-sectional area if a quantity of water equal to 430 ml passed down in 10 minutes under an effective constant head of 40 cm. On oven drying, test specimen has mass of 498 gram. Take specific gravity of soil solids as 2.65. Calculate seepage velocity during test. So, in our question, we have to first determine coefficient of permeability. In our question, we have given effective constant head of 40 cm. That is, it is a constant head permeability test. So, we can use equation for coefficient of permeability from the constant head permeability test. That is, K equal to Q by T into L divided by delta H into 1 by A. Here in question, we have given that sample length L equal to 6 cm, area of cross section of sample is 50 cm square, amount of water collected Q is 430 ml and time is given in minutes. So we are converting it into seconds, that is 10 minutes, that is 10 into 60 is equal to 600 seconds, where 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then we are multiplying 10 minutes by 60 seconds. Then we are obtaining 600 seconds and head difference delta H is equal to 40 centimeter. Then by substituting in our equation of coefficient of permeability, we are obtaining Q 430 into length of sample 6 divided by T 600 delta H 40 centimeter into area of cross section 50 centimeter square. Then we are obtaining K as 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 centimeter per second. Then we have to find seepage velocity. Before that, we have to find discharge velocity. We are having an equation connecting seepage velocity and discharge velocity as seepage velocity is equal to discharge velocity divided by n. From Darcy's law, we are having an equation Q equal to K into A into I, and also we are having an equation Q equal to Q by T. By combining these two equations, that is Q by A is equal to Ki is equal to velocity of flow, that is our discharge velocity. Then substituted in discharge velocity, we are obtaining V equal to Ki, that is K that we have obtained here 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into I is the hydraulic gradient delta H by L. Delta H is 40 divided by L, 6. Then we are obtaining a value of 1.435 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter per second. In order to find discharge velocity, we can also substitute in this equation V equal to Q by A, where small letter q is equal to Q by T. That is Q, capital letter Q is 430 divided by our time. Time is 600 into area of cross section 50. Then we are obtaining also the same value 1.435 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter per second. In order to find seepage velocity, next we have to find N, small letter n, that is porosity. N having an equation in terms of void ratio, that is N equal to E by 1 plus E. Then we have to find E, void ratio. For this we are having an equation rho d equal to g rho w by 1 plus e. From this e equal to g rho w by rho d minus 1. So first we can find dry density. For this, in our question we have given that oven dried mass, that is 498 gram. By using this we can calculate our dry density, that is rho d is equal to 498 divided by volume. For this we have to take area and length, 50 into 6. Then we get rho d is equal to 1.66 gram per centimeter cube. Then by using the equation E is equal to G rho W by rho D minus 1, we can calculate void ratio. G is 2.65 into rho W, density of water is 1, and rho D that we have obtained here 1.66 minus 1. Then we get E as 0.595. By substituting in the equation of porosity n equal to E by 1 plus E, that is E 0.595 divided by 1 plus 0.595, we are obtaining porosity as 0.373. Then substituting in the equation seepage velocity V is equal to V by N. V is the discharge velocity, that is we have already found out here, 1.435 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by porosity 0.373. Our seepage velocity is 3.85 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter per second. Next is our second problem. The question is, a variable head permeability test is conducted on soil sample. K is estimated 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter per second. What diameter for standpipe should be used if head is to be dropped from 27.5 centimeter to 20 centimeter in 5 minutes, and if cross-sectional area and length of soil sample is 15 centimeter square and 8.5 centimeter, then what will be the time taken for head to drop from 37.5 to 30 centimeter? So in our question, coefficient of permeability is given as 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter per second, and we have to find out the diameter of the standpipe used, and also the time taken for head to drop from 37.5 centimeter to 30 centimeter. So given data is K equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter per second. Initial head H1 equal to 27.5 centimeter and final head is H2 is 20 centimeter in time 5 minutes. That is, we are converting it into seconds, that is 5 into 60 equal to 300 seconds. Then also given area of cross section of soil sample which is equal to 15 centimeter square and length of soil sample which is given as 8.5 centimeter. Then according to variable head permeability test, we are having expression for coefficient of permeability. K is equal to 2.303 AL divided by 80 into log base 10 H1 by H2. From this we can write area of standpipe small letter a is equal to K into 80 divided by 2.303 into L into log base 10 of H1 by H2. By substituting in this equation, K is 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 into area of cross section is 50 centimeter square and time is 300 seconds divided by 2.303. The expression is in 10 based logarithm into length of sample L is 8.5 centimeter into log base 10 h1 by h2. h1 is 27.5 and h2 is 20 centimeter. Then we are obtaining area of standpipe as 0.049 centimeter square. We are having area of standpipe A is equal to pi by 4 d square. Then from diameter of standpipe small letter d is equal to root of A into 4 divided by pi. By substituting in this we are obtaining root of area 0.049 into 4 divided by pi or 3.14. Then we are obtaining diameter is equal to 0.25 centimeter. So we have calculated diameter of standpipe. Then we have to calculate the time taken for head to draw from 37.5 centimeter to 30 centimeter. Then from our expression of coefficient of permeability, time taken T is equal to 2.303 AL divided by AK into log base 10 H1 by H2. Substituting in this we are obtaining 2.303 into area 0.049 into length of sample 8.5 divided by area of cross section of soil sample 50 into coefficient of permeability K 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 into log base 10. Here H1 is given as 37.5 and H2 is given as 30 centimeter. Then we are obtaining a value of 206.568 seconds. We can convert it into minutes by dividing 60. That is equal to 3.42 minutes.